Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to another rainy and kinda coldish weather update here. My weather app says it feels like 23 degrees. That's crazy. For this time of the year, kinda weird to see. But yeah, I saw also on my comments there's gonna be a hotel. Very interesting, and I'm excited. I'm very excited. As you can see here, there are a lot of motorbikes still out there. Hello! And this is the Phan Ton Street here, guys. Phan Ton. And we're gonna take a little stroll. But basically, this is just a weather update here. Let's see what's new in this street here, Phan Ton. It's a sushi place I have not tried out yet. It was closed when I came here the first time, but then at some point they opened up again. Pellet Grill. Hi, how you doing? Pellet Grill. Nothing has changed here, I guess. There's some markets over there. Pick Me Korean restaurant. Finally, they have a sign out there. Finally. Before, they did not have any signs out there. But yeah, have you tried it? I have not yet. Well, Korean barbecue, guys. Massage places. Mi Kwang. It feels like very modern here. New here. Mi Kwang. Huh. Maybe it was always like that. 25k Mi Kwang. Huh. There you can rent out some electric motorbikes as well. As those big bikes for the longer ride. 800,000 dong. X-Max with a box. That's pretty good to travel actually. I think if you travel to Hue or so, or maybe if you go south and want to have like a nice day trip further away, maybe for one night or two, you have a box. Hey! Germans are everywhere. And this is probably one of those loud machines that annoy everyone. Ninja Kawasaki. And probably are not official exhaustion pipes. Akrapovic. Alright. What is this here? Was it always here? It looks like seafood. Surf and turf, lobster surf and turf. Huh. Seafood, okay. I have not tried out this one yet. Doesn't feel so welcoming, but this is also kind of new. There was a coffee shop over there. Street bar billiards. It also looks like a bar right next to the Mona Lisa Hotel and Apartment. So this is the apartment building, and the Mona Lisa Luxury Hotel is over there. This is also Sana Hotel. Good value. But in the rainy season, you have to be careful because it's getting wet in there. That's what I heard from Gunnar, who lived there for some months. So he liked it, but he said when it was really wet everywhere, it was too wet inside somehow. But you can always just buy a dehumidifier. That's so funny. Oh, shout out to David. A beautiful sunshine vlog from Australia. I always tell him to buy dehumidifier. Now what did he do? Now guess what did he do? He bought a humidifier. So he made his room wet. Like a... Oh, that's so funny. That's so funny. It's alright. David, we love you. And the next time you need to buy something, just let me know. I'll go with you and I'll help you. Humidifier. But now at the moment you don't need it, guys. So if you are in this time of the year, it's actually not that humidity. The humidity is very low, in my opinion. I see it on my dehumidifier. It always shows me how humid it is and how much it works. And it's very good. It's very strong dehumidifier, and I don't have any issues. It doesn't really work. It's like every 3-4 days I empty it. While in the high humid season, I had to empty it every 4 hours, right? So it's a huge difference. It's very interesting here. This is the first pho place I ever had a pho here. In Da Nang, in Vietnam actually. Very interesting, but it was not good, so compared to the other ones I had afterwards. But it's always hard to find a good pho place. Check this out. Haiyan Hotel from the back, okay? As you can see here, this hotel, or whatever this is, they are continuing. It was like a construction ruin before, and now they're working on it again. Hello. So I guess they're working on both sides. Haiyan Hotel has two construction sites. So one is over here, it's getting built, this getting finished, and this here getting demolished right in front of the Muang Thang building. I'm not sure how bad the noise pollution is for the people who live in the Muang Thang building at the moment. Probably also pretty bad. Muang Thang Hotel might be, I mean, there's a destruction of a hotel, of a large hotel right next to it. So who knows? So weird. And here there's a big construction also going on. I feel like it takes a few more years until it's done here, everything. There's a new apartment building here in this street. Interesting new buildings getting constructed everywhere, guys. But yeah, I have my umbrella with me for safety, as you saw. But I don't need it at the moment. But it always rains a little bit. But today, the week is over soon, and then it's gonna be good again. And look at this, they changed that. So now I can walk here without any issues. Thank you. Oh, look at this beautiful pavement. Ooh la la. I'm excited. Look at this. How beautiful this pavement is here. You have space. Everything is like, oh. That's nice. This is actually nice on the Barrett urban zone. So here they definitely have to do something with that. Now, if we compare it to the new one, that's nice. Nice. Look at this. This is how a pavement should look like. Good job. I'm wondering if it's very busy in there or not in the evening. I have to check it out again. Oh, look at this beautiful Porsche over there. Let's go there. This building will be so nice, but let's see what they're gonna do with their pavement though. Will they change anything? And if this is a hotel, do they gonna have a driveway? Or is it gonna be another traffic jam around here? This is also a big question, right? With all those new buildings, how is the traffic going to be? Because the streets are not that wide. The pavement's already messed up. I'm not sure what's going on here again. I'm not sure what is happening here. This looks like a broken tree here. Wow. This looks like burned somehow. And this also looks very sketchy, guys. 100 Ways to Die. Ooh. But there we have it. Beautiful Porsche. It's an electric car, I think, right? Electric. Huh. All right, guys. Also check out the member tab on YouTube. I will put on the meetup there. But it's gonna be Tuesday, yeah? Tuesday, 17th. Huh. I think we walked over there the last time, right? We're gonna go on the left. You know what? We're gonna go check out the main street again. And check this out. Yesterday I just talked about it. It's gonna be done very quick. How quick did they build these walls, guys? It's crazy. It's insane. But it looks like a bar, right? I mean, this looks like a bar. What will it be, guys? Maybe a bar. I don't know. I don't know if they're really gonna make a bar here. And walk this way. This restaurant is not done yet. Huh. Fresh milk coffee, big glass, 20K. There you go. No parking, and then there's a parking. Oh man. This is what you have to know about it. If you want to walk around here, many people are not even that into walking, right? So I think Americans drive around with cars all the time, and Vietnamese with the motorbikes, right? I feel like Germans or Europeans, not sure about all Europeans, but Germans at least, we love to walk around. So pavements and sidewalks are important. Then you can play pickleball here, guys. Oh. Sorry, I hit you against this rusty thing. Oh my God. This is also annoying to walk here. That's why you see the most people you always see on the beach or on the river, because there you can actually walk a long time without being interrupted by anything. But in between those streets here, I don't know. I think business would be better if people can walk around, and I think everything would be better. Think about if especially Germans walking around neighborhoods, and you can walk around and then you have a store where you can eat or drink something, they would go in. Now it's like only in one specific area. Good day, how you doing, man? So at the moment everyone is just based here. All around this street here, because you can actually walk around here very easily. Besides of this here. But here is pretty much the best streets to walk around, and that's why the main business is going to be here for Western tourists. DIY Telegram bots. All Russian advertisement here. Very interesting. I gotta go and check out this one restaurant there again. But there's also always a problem with the tour buses. Too many people going in there. It's like a bus group restaurant, I would say. But they have good mi kwang as well. Yeah, this restaurant looks so nice. Check this out. They also have live music and traditional music over there. And then in the back they have some AC rooms. So this changed now to a Sichuan spicy kitchen. Interesting. I don't know. I like Chinese restaurants, but I don't know. It's like there's no one ever there. Maybe it's also cursed or something. This place. Not sure, but I'm gonna go to Moonmilk now and grab some water, because that does not have any calories. All right. You can get fresh breads, croissants, fruits. Sometimes they have avocados here too. But yeah, you can get pretty much everything here, what you need. Also, water, very important. And don't forget, like, always look out for mineral water. I always take either way La Vie, or I take this hipster water, this one. I like this one. Nah, I get it, cool. There's no cool, just Evian. But yeah, you can get pretty much everything here, guys. Even German beer here. Check this out. And then I think this is Russian beer, maybe? I don't know. I don't know what beer it is. Berliner Geschichte. Have you ever heard about that? Feldschlösschen Black Beer. And then this here. Pils. Hefeweizen Hell, Eibauer. Very random things. And I don't know. Sapporo. That is very well-shaped beer here. Look at this. Looks so beautiful, right? Does it taste good? Let me know in the comments. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next walk.